Get ready to dive into the ocean's most fascinating creatures with amazing shark facts you never knew you needed. From tiger sharks to hammerheads, these sharks will leave you in awe. Number 5. Tiger shark. The tiger shark is one of the largest predatory sharks in the world, second only to the great white shark. These sharks can grow up to 14 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds. Tiger sharks are also known for their indiscriminate feeding habits, which means they will eat just about anything, including sea turtles, seals, fish, birds, and even garbage. In fact, they have been observed eating floating tires and other debris in the ocean. But don't worry, they have no interest in eating you unless you smell like a seal. Number 4. Bull shark. The bull shark is one of the most aggressive and dangerous species of shark, and it's also one of the most adaptable. Unlike most sharks, the bull shark can thrive in both salt and fresh water, which means it can be found in rivers, lakes, and coastal waters around the world. Bull sharks can grow up to 13 feet long and weigh over 1,000 pounds, and they are known for their short, stocky build and their large, powerful jaws. Bull sharks are responsible for numerous attacks on humans each year, and they are considered to be one of the most likely culprits behind the infamous shark attacks that occur in the waters off the coast of Australia. Number 3. Great white shark. The great white shark is the largest predatory fish in the world, and it's also one of the most feared. These sharks can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 5,000 pounds. But despite their massive size, they are surprisingly agile and have been known to leap out of the water and attack their prey. They have a sleek, torpedo-shaped body that allows them to swim at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Great white sharks have rows and rows of sharp, serrated teeth that they use to slice through flesh with ease, and they have a highly developed sense of smell, which allows them to detect blood from miles away. Great white sharks are responsible for dozens of attacks on humans each year, and they are the star of countless horror movies. But despite their fearsome reputation, great white sharks play an important role in the marine ecosystem. Number 2. Whale shark. The whale shark is the largest shark in the world, and it's also one of the most gentle. These sharks can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh over 20,000 pounds, but they feed on tiny plankton and fish. Whale sharks have a huge, gaping mouth that they use to filter out their prey, and they have a distinctive spotted pattern that makes them easy to identify. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are relatively slow-moving, and they are often seen swimming near the surface of the water. Whale sharks are found in all of the world's oceans, but they are endangered due to habitat loss and overfishing. Number 1. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark has one of the most distinctive shapes of any shark, with a head that resembles a medieval weapon. But this unusual shape is not just for show. It's actually very functional. The hammerhead's head is used for smashing through coral heads and shells, allowing them to access the tasty prey that lives inside. Hammerhead sharks are also able to sense electrical fields, which helps them to find buried prey such as stingrays and eels. This is thanks to special receptors in their head that are connected to pores on the top of their heads. Hammerhead sharks come in a variety of sizes, with some species growing up to 20 feet long. But despite their large size, they are relatively slow-moving, and they are often seen swimming in shallow coastal waters. Now, you know there are many different types of sharks in the ocean, each with its own unique set of characteristics and adaptations. So next time you go for a swim in the ocean, be sure to keep an eye out for these amazing creatures. You never know when you might get lucky enough to see one in its natural habitat.